Hey, glad you joined us. We're just getting ready to install a new tensioner on this 2011 Freightliner Cascadia with the DD15 engine.
And this isn't an ordinary tensioner. This is a unique design that Dayco developed specifically to help technicians save time in the bay. While there are a few different one-piece tensioners on the market today, one specific type is prone to failure, and all are rather difficult to install. That's why Dayco innovated and engineered a two-piece design that makes replacement quick and easy, and has greater durability than any other tensioner on the market.
That's right. In talking to fleet mechanics out in the field, we heard time and again the need for an easier to install tensioner that could help address installation issues. So our product and R&D team got to work, putting in hundreds of hours into the design, development, and testing of this unique two-piece tensioner. The end result is a product that's extremely durable, yet easy to install.
Now, since Jay's our resident ASE certified technician, I'm going to talk through how easy it is to install while he does the dirty work. You'll begin by removing the bolt that separates the front fan tensioner from the rear tensioner. We'll be focusing on the rear system first, so just set the front tensioner aside for the moment. Now, on the rear drive system, install the belt over all the pulleys except the alternator pulley. Then, place the rear tensioner against the engine and start turning the 3 bolts. Each one should be tightened to 37 foot-pounds. It's important to make sure the belt is still in position around all the drive pulleys, except the alternator. Pull down on the tensioner arm, then install the belt over the alternator and release the arm. After double checking all the belt alignment on all the pulleys, the rear installation is complete. Pretty easy, right? Let's move on to the front. You'll want to position the front tensioner and start the 10mm bolt, but only 2 to 4 turns on the hole and no more. This allows the front tensioner to be pulled away from the rear tensioner so the belt can easily be passed between the 2 tensioner pulleys and placed into position. This two-piece design really makes this tensioner so much easier to install than others on the market today. With the front fan belt loose, but properly positioned over the tensioner pulley, finish installing the bolt and tighten to 37 foot-pounds. In the last step, pull down on the front tensioner arm, like this, until the belt can be installed over the final pulley. Once you double check the seating and alignment of the fan belt and all the pulleys, you, my friend, are done with this installation.
That definitely saved quite a bit of time over traditional tensioners, which means today's fleet maintenance facilities have an opportunity to drive additional profits and get more done in less time. This tensioner is available for all DD13 and DD15 applications. For more information, visit DaycoAftermarket.com.